One of the things you kept saying on the webinar, Stephen, was earn while you learn. And so that's what's super cool about this, is that you are able to, as you're learning and gathering and learning the process too, you can earn. You're not spending. You are spending time, and not that we all have all this time on our hands, but honestly, the amount of time it takes to go to the store, to do your research, to buy the products, to bring them home, to box them up, to send them to Amazon. What does that time involve? And you don't have to do any of that with print on demand. So it is just a little bit different in where you're putting your time. The other thing is, once those sell out, you've got to go back and place an order and get more of them and send them in. And you could have a prep center do that, but then it's money spent, right? So there is either time or money, but you're going to put your time in. You're going to put one or both of those, no matter what strategy you use. Print on demand, yeah, there's time for the graphics and stuff, but there's also no time in the other areas. And that we titled this replenish without having to replenish. Replenishables without replenishing, I think is how I worded it. So, how much time does it take you to go find that product again that sold out? And now you've got to go to all the Walmarts, and, oh, they don't have it here, they have it here, or whatever. You don't have to do any of that. What's so beautiful, and this was our fourth point on the webinar, once you get those products up, you never have to do that again, ever, ever, ever. Those books that you've done, those shirts that you've done, those whatever products you have put up, you could do another version of them if you want to, but once they are up, you don't have to touch that again and go find stock again. You don't have to create the design again. So yes, there is time budget, but that time to profit ratio will change over time. So the longer it goes, the more sales you have, the amount of time you've actually put on in comparison to the sales that you have, because you never have to put that time in again, shrinks. So totally agree. And this is where I was like, okay, is this too good to be true? I don't want to downplay the time commitment, because there is an issue. That is really what you are putting in, and our time is extremely valuable. But don't get caught there, because really, how much time are you putting in your business that you wouldn't be putting into with this strategy?
Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. My name is Steven. This is my brother Nathaniel. Together we are the Wingman.
If you guys want to know more about anything that we talked about, check the description of this video.